This is Sam Nakwa with Big Review TV, and today I'm on Elgin Street in Carlton at Chainsaw Massacre Salon. They've been giving sweet haircuts to people since 1996, and as you can tell by the name, they want it to be a little different from everybody else. Really cool ambiance where you can come and chill on one of these old school barber chairs, sipping on a little glass of vino, and just enjoying yourself while the friendly staff gives you a beautiful haircut. If you need a haircut, download the Big Review TV app and come check it out.